In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Slides transition on Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to open your presentation from Drive, choose a transition style, and preview it so your slides flow smoothly and look professional. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. At the top right, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Apps, then choose Drive. If prompted, sign in to your account so you can access your files. Once you're in Google Drive, open the presentation you want to edit by double-clicking it. This will launch the deck in Google Slides. For the best results, make sure your presentation has at least 2 slides, since transitions play as you move from one slide to the next. At the top of the Slides interface, click Transition. This opens a panel on the right side where you control how slides change from one to another. If you don't see it right away, it may briefly take a moment to load. Just wait for the sidebar to appear. Next, open the drop-down menu in the Transition panel and pick a style that suits your presentation. Common options include subtle effects like fade, as well as more dynamic styles such as slide from right, flip, cube, or gallery. Choose something that complements your content without distracting your audience. Right below the Style selector, adjust the speed slider to control how quickly the transition happens. A slower speed can feel smooth and polished, while a faster speed keeps the pace lively. To check your choice, click Play to preview. A preview window will show the transition as it appears when moving to the next slide. Watch for pacing and motion. If it feels too fast, too slow, or a bit flashy, pause the preview, tweak the style or speed, and click Play again. This quick loop of previewing and adjusting is the easiest way to dial in the right balance. If you like one transition for your whole presentation, look for the option to apply it to all slides so you maintain consistency. If you prefer to highlight specific sections, keep the transition only on selected slides for emphasis. And if you ever want to turn transitions off, simply choose None from the drop-down. When you're happy with the result, you can close the panel and continue editing. Your changes save automatically in Drive, so there's nothing extra to do. That's all it takes to add and preview Google Slides transitions from Google Drive.